Hey, thanks for stopping by today. I am your marketing lady, and today we are going to talk about these cool Instagram highlight covers, how to make custom covers for your brand. So stick with me. Instagram highlights right here, these are great ways to save stories and highlight them on your profile so that people can look at those a little later and get more information about some of the things you do, maybe an introduction to you, a tip, special offers, different things like that. So today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create these cool custom covers. So let's get into it. Now here's how you create a custom Instagram highlight cover using Canva. First of all, if you don't have a Canva account, you want to create one. It's absolutely free. And once you dive in here, you'll find out this is a great tool to quickly make graphics for your social media post and other things as well. So what I like to do is go ahead and click on an Instagram post. That's usually a good size for what I'm looking for. And I'm just going to create a background color here. Click this plus sign. I've got a color that I want for this. So I'm going to pick this color that I want. If you guys haven't tried this tool, it's so cool. It's called the Eyedropper Tool. So now that I've got that color, I'm going to go ahead and type in chat because I want a chat bubble here. I think I want a nice size one. I'll blow this up just a little bit and make sure that it's centered. And then I'm just going to make that, maybe I'll make it yellow. Yeah, I like that. And now I'll go with the white. I'm going to call this my IG testimonial highlight. Once I'm done here, all I'm going to do now is click download. The next thing I'm going to do after I do this, I'm going to upload this to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and airdrop it. So now that I've got that airdropped over to my phone, I'm going to go ahead and create a story, because if you're going to create one of these custom covers, you're going to have that picture in one of the clips from one of your stories. So let me go ahead and add this in. I'm just going to click on my logo. I'm going to next click on the photo. Then I'm going to click on the photo that I just added. Now once I do that, I'm going to also put a quick little message on here because I like to add a little bit of text when I'm doing these, but I'll show you how to crop it in a second. Now that I've got that done, I wanted to add a little text on there just to let people know exactly what this is. Now I'm going to add this to my story. So I'll click on my picture, add to story. It's posting now, so I'm going to wait for it to finally get posted. Once it's posted, I'm going to click on highlight. Next, what I'll do, I'll click on new, and then I'm going to type in testimonials. And once I finish typing this in, I'm going to click on add. Now that I've added, I could either view it on profile or click done. So I just click done. Now it's added and you can see the new highlight section is there. Now that's how you create custom covers for your Instagram highlights. It's easy and so simple to do, especially when you use a tool like Canva. So if you have any questions for me, leave a comment below. If you've got a tip you'd like to see or something you're struggling with, leave me a comment below and I may create a video about it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm a growing channel and I want to bring you more social media and marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. I'm your marketing lady and I will see you next time.